Howdy folks, welcome back to Chasing Check-ins with me, Max. And where are you guys checking in with me today? Well, as you can see, I've got my Slim Shadies on, I've got my inflatable hammock, and I'm currently sat in my private pool here on the Greek island of Zakynthos. Today is travel day and I'm starting the vlog here. Manchester Airport this morning was super busy. There's loads of people around, so I didn't get much in the way of filming or vlogging done. What I will do is add some new footage in of the departure east and the new duty free and some of the flight down here to Zante. Flight time today was about 3 hours and 5 minutes. We were a little late taking off, but made up plenty of time on our way down. The big question when landing into Zante is the entry and exit system and how long the queues are at the airport. Again, this is dependent on how many flights are arriving at the same time. When we landed, EasyJet flight from Gatwick had landed just before us. Once we're off the bus, it was straight into the terminal. I was just at the main entrance of the terminal building, and from that point to getting to the border took just a little over an hour. All 5 desks were being used, and this did help keep the queue moving. The biometric scanners, which take your fingerprints and your face recognition, aren't being used at the moment, but they are still scanning your passports, and that's what's taking slightly longer. The internet and the system isn't particularly fast. Once I was through the border, my suitcase was there, and I was in the taxi straight down to my resort. Once again, queue times have been varying from 10 minutes, 45 minutes, up to 2.5 hours, but do bear with the staff, the queue does move. The airport is chronically understaffed, and you can quite clearly, visibly see that when landing in Zante. superior room with a private pool. And I just thought before I get unpacked that I would just do a quick first impression of the room, and then in another video I'll do a full room tour with the hotel. So again, this is room 124 and it does have a private pool. So as you come in, there's your fridge, safety deposit box. The air conditioning is included in the room price. And then just in here we have the bathroom, nice size. There's your wash basin, nice big large mirror, and a walk-in shower with rain shower, and again just your small shower head there. And included in these rooms is your shower gel and your shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, really nice, light and airy sort of bathroom. Again, plenty of places to store your clothes. Coat hangers are included. Again, your safety deposit box is just there. Again, that was free. That's included in the room price. And then this takes you into the bedroom. So this is a double bed, not two twins pushed together. So it is a double bed. Your LG TV on the wall. A little desk and a mirror, so when you want to get ready you do have a mirror in the bedroom. And again, these are some drawers hidden away. There is a chair in the room. Again, you've got a bedside cabinet either side of the bed, and then obviously is your own private terrace with pool. So yeah, you've got sun loungers, 2 sun lounges on your terrace, which do include towels, as you can see there. And then this lovely private pool, the deepest is 1.3 meters, and yeah, it's quite secluded. So that is room 124, and that is at the Margarita Hotel down here in Laganas. And again, that's a superior room with private pool. Like I say, I will do a full tour of the hotel. This was just a quick first impression of the room. But yeah, let's get unpacked.